Bonjour, bienvenue sur ma chaîne all about life and French Kaur. Today we will learn sounds in French. Before starting, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. On commence maintenant. Today we will learn a sounds. First one is E with an accent, girl. Let's see some examples. Crème, pièce, frère, fier, poème. Next is E with an accent, circumflex. It will also be pronounced as A in French. Être, fenêtre, bête, fête, tête. Next is E, which is in between two alphabets. This will also be pronounced as A, like in these examples. Mère, elle, cette, belle, lunette. Today's key sentence is s'il vous plaît, which means please or if you please, if you translate it word to word. How you will say s'il vous plaît. C'est tout, c'est fini. Merci, au revoir.